Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to create a KDP cover for Amazon KDP, of course. And to do this, you will need a few tools. So first of all, you can go to Google and write down KDP Amazon cover calculator template, and you will see this page where you can actually have a template for your cover. For your whole cover of your books to upload it as a PDF to KDP. So first of all, you choose a binding type. I'm gonna just choose paperback, white paper, and into inches. And let's create a book, for example, 8.5 and 11. And for example, our book is 102 pages. And we can calculate dimensions, and as you can see, you have a full cover. Here it is. The front cover is 8.5 11, but to create this only this front cover, I suggest to use pixels, not inches. So to do this, you will need to calculate it. And of course, after you will have the front and the back cover separately in pixels, you will then upload it to a separate PDF file, which size is this. It includes all the bleeds and margins and so on, and spine area. So then after that, we're gonna just create one like this. You can also download the template and upload it to this PDF file to know where are all the borders and so on. So first of all, I'm gonna go to tangent templates, and I had this a long time ago, and I'm using it to calculate the dimensions in pixels. So I'm just gonna choose the same sizing paperback, the same number of pages, and no bleed. And as you can see, it also calculates the same sizes, but what I need is actually pixels, but not these ones. I need a half cover. So here it is, half cover, and I will use these dimensions in Canva. I'm just gonna click create design custom size, and I will choose pixels. After that, I will paste the pixels there, and we're just gonna click create new design. So here you will create your front and back covers in pixels, so that the quality of the front cover of your basically whole book cover would be excellent and really good. So yeah, that's that. So now let's create some cover for KDP. I will choose a template, but I will not use those flowers because someone already created that. I wouldn't suggest to use the elements from Canva separately like that. For example, you want to do a planner and you will use only this element on your cover. It might get copyrighted because KDP does reviews of your bookshelf often. And they may say, well, it's a free and available everywhere, so you cannot use it. So I wouldn't suggest to do that. If you have a Canva Pro, you can try and use Pro elements, but also you need to read Canva's licenses, because a lot of people got strikes and terminated, and KDP terminated their accounts because of using Canva elements. Basically elements from Canva, graphics, and so on. So I would suggest to go to Creative Fabrica maybe, and I just wrote flowers on Creative Fabrica, and here you can find lots and lots of flowers, to lots and lots of illustrations, graphics, fonts, And as you can see, it's commercial usage allowed, so that doesn't fit us. What you want to do is scroll down on Creative Fabrica and click on Special License Print on Demand. So you could use this for print on demand business like KDP. So let's choose these dusty rose flowers, let's download them, and after that let's upload them to our Canva. So as the flowers uploaded, I'm just gonna put them here on this background. Let's make some compositions, and then you can basically just copy and paste it. Or maybe let's change coloring. Now I'm just gonna choose all of the elements and copy and paste them, and maybe put them something like that. Let's do the same again, and basically I will just fill all of this page, and maybe let's make it a little bit brighter. Let's fill all of this page. Now when I have filled all of this page, now I want to add some cover, so we can actually use this one from Creative Fabrica, but I don't think it looks great, so I'm just gonna add a simple element from Canva, like a shape, and let's write down. So you have to keep in mind that this area, some of that will go on the spine, so I need to leave some space area for for the spine. So I will put this in the middle, and I will leave sides empty. Now I'm just gonna write down this right here. Let's write down undated planners, for example. Something like that. Now I also want to add some borders, so let's add some border here and maybe change the coloring. And also, I think this will look nice. Also change the color of the border. And here it is, our planner. So this is our front cover. Now you want to duplicate the page and delete the box and the writing, and this will be your back cover. After that, as you know, these are in pixels. Now you need to download them as PNG elements. You can download them separately or in a zip file, and then you will unzip it and upload it to Canva once again. And now for our cover, we will need these numbers for our full cover in inches, so we could download it as PDF and upload it to KDP. For KDP, you need to download it as PDF file. So now let's go to Canva, and I'm just gonna copy and paste these elements, and let's write them down right here and change it from pixels to inches. So I'm just gonna copy and paste them, create a new design. Now I'm just gonna upload the PNG files I just downloaded, and we can also actually download the print cover template, but it will be a bigger size file, and I cannot upload it to Canva like that. Oh, here it is. I can upload it. It's a smaller size file this time. So as you can see, this is a 8.5 times 11 inches book as we chose, and now you need to make it bigger and fit all of the background. Now you see where is the spine and so on. If you would make a more pages a book which has more pages, the spine would be way wider, but this time it's actually really nice. You basically just drag your front cover like that, a little bit more, as you can see. And you can also click on transparency right here, and you can see that where all of the borders are. Maybe you will write something there and you don't want it to be on the edge of the book, but here's how it looks like. The same goes for this cover, for the back cover. And for the back cover, when you click on PNG, you want to flip it horizontally like that, then drag it again, and here it is. That's how it looks like. Also, you want to of course delete this template file. And now let's change the background to our book's background so that the spine would be seamless. Of course, you can also add a spine like that in the middle and make it maybe black, or make it the same color as the background. You can do this too, but I usually just leave it like that and it works just fine. After that, you're just gonna click on share, download, make it PDF print. I also would suggest, if you have Canva Pro, I'm doing this now on Canva free version, but I always use the best for professional printing, but you can always, of course, use RGB also. And you just download it and upload it to KDP. So here it is, guys. That's how you make a KDP cover for Amazon KDP. And if this video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to this channel. Bye.